Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I help people build better money habits, no matter how much you're making. So if you're making less than $2,000 a month, you've probably heard the advice, just save more. But when every dollar is already spoken for, saving feels impossible. I get it. I've been there. But here's the truth. Saving money isn't about how much you make, it's about having the right system. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to share 7 simple steps that helped me save my first $500 even when I was making barely $1,800 a month. No complicated investing strategies, no side hustle pitches, just practical steps you can start today. Let's dive in. Step 1. Track every single dollar. You can't see what you don't see. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. Here's what you do. For the next 7 days, write down every expense: coffee, rent, Netflix, that late night drive through, everything. Use your phone's notes app, a notebook, or a free app like Mint. The goal isn't to judge yourself, it's to get real data. When I did this, I discovered I was spending $120 a month on food delivery. I had no clue. That's $120 I could redirect. Track for 7 days. You'll be shocked at what you find. Step 2. Cut one invisible expense. After tracking, you'll spot what I call invisible expenses, things you pay for but barely use. Common ones: streaming services you forgot about, gym memberships you never visit, subscription boxes, app subscriptions. Pick one and cancel it today. Even $10 a month is $120 a year. I canceled my $15 Spotify Premium and switched to the free version with ads. Not ideal, but for 6 months, I redirected that $15 into savings. Small moves add up. Don't cancel everything at once. You'll feel deprived and quit. Just one for now. Step 3. Use the 24-hour rule. This one saved me hundreds. Before buying anything non-essential, clothes, gadgets, takeout, wait 24 hours. Add it to a list, come back tomorrow. If you still want it, buy it. But 80% of the time, the urge passes. This works because most purchases are emotional, not logical. That 24-hour gap lets the emotion fade. I used to impulse buy on Amazon constantly. Once I started waiting, I realized half the stuff I needed was just boredom shopping. 24 hours, that's it. Try it for 1 week and watch your spending drop. Step 4. Automate $1 a day. Okay, we're halfway through. Quick question for you. Which of these first 3 steps are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. Now, let's talk about my favorite step: automation. Forget save 20% of your income. When you're on a tight budget, that advice is useless. Instead, automate $1 a day. That's $30 a month, $365 a year. Set up an automatic transfer from checking to savings the day after you get paid. Most banks let you do this in 2 minutes. Start with $1. Once that feels easy, bump it to $2, then $5. The amount doesn't matter at first. What matters is building the habit. Your brain needs to see savings as automatic, not optional. I started with $1 a day. After 3 months, I didn't even notice it was gone. Then I increased to $3, then $5. Step 5. Use the leftovers method. At the end of each week, check your checking account balance. See that random $7.42 sitting there? Transfer it to savings. Got $12 left before payday? Move $10. This method works because it feels like free money. You were gonna waste it on some random purchase anyway. I did this every Sunday night. Some weeks it was $3, other weeks it was $20. Over 6 months, I saved an extra $400 just from leftovers. Every little bit counts. Don't underestimate the power of pocket change. Step 6. Say no to one thing per week. This is the hardest step, but the most powerful. Each week, say no to one social expense you'd normally say yes to. Skip happy hour and save $25. Say no to the group dinner and meal prep instead. Don't buy concert tickets, watch a free live stream. I'm not saying become a hermit, but one no per week is four no's per month. That could be $50 to $100 saved. Your real friends will understand. And honestly, the people who don't understand your financial goals aren't your people anyway. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Here's what nobody tells you. Saving is hard, especially on a tight budget. So celebrate every milestone. Hit $50 saved? Acknowledge it. Post about it. Tell a friend. Reached $100? Do something free but special. Picnic in the park, movie night at home, whatever makes you happy. The brain needs positive reinforcement. If saving feels like punishment, you'll quit. I celebrated every $100 saved with a homemade fancy coffee. Cost me $2 in supplies, felt like a reward. Progress is progress. Don't wait until you hit $1,000 to feel proud. There you have it. 7 simple steps to save money on under $2,000 a month. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Start with one step today. Track your spending, cancel one subscription, automate $1. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe for more Real Talk finance tips. I post new videos every week. Drop a comment and tell me which step you're starting with today. You've got this. Let's build better money habits together. I'll see you in the next one.